Howdy, welcome to TBKHomeworld, and in this video we're going to be going over this brand new BRAUN Slim Headlamp. So this is the brand new BRAUN headlamp that literally just got through coming out from Harbor Freight. There's only a couple of reviews on the website. I am so excited to get my hands on this. Now, I purchased this myself. I have no affiliation with Harbor Freight. I just like some of their products a whole lot. So with this one, I was really looking for something different. I have a nice spotlight that I use here all the time. I love having this lamp. The thing I really like about this lamp as well is that it uses two 18650s for the rechargeable aspect of this headlamp. The one thing I don't like about this headlamp, it is very spot specific and it doesn't give a broad berth of light. Now it does have these sides that are supposed to give wider angle, but the problem is it shines down and it actually gets in your eyes. So you're not able to use this effectively to give a flood effect on whatever you're working on. So I wanted to pick up something like this, so hopefully I would have an easier time getting more of a flood effect around me with my light. And I have to say, BRAUN absolutely nailed it with this unit. The nice thing about it is if you look very closely, you'll see that the LED strip is fully recessed within the rubber molding that is in here. That has allowed it to where those lights don't actually shine down in your eyes because they are all completely submerged behind this rubber piece here. So it's not going to be able to get you in your eyes. So that's an extremely important feature that I wanted to make sure that I had on my headlamp. Like all headlamps, it's extremely easy to put on. You put the battery pack on the rear with this one and you wrap it around the front. This right here is something else I was extremely excited to try. I frequently wear ball caps. It's just my preference to have ball caps. Here in Texas, I'm constantly sweating and having issues. Having a ball cap on keeps that sweat out of my eyes. This one works on a hat, but you have problems with actually pointing it down into your field of vision so where you can see. So you're doing all these weird, contortions with your neck trying to get it where you can see with this unit. Well, the nice thing about this one is how it sits on your hat is extremely easy. You also are not required to have a middle strap like we have on this one because of the weight of this system. This one doesn't need a middle strap to hold itself on your head. So you don't have to worry about it going across the top of your hat. So that's extremely nice with this unit. Now to turn this unit on, we have a button right here on top of it. We turn it on and we start on high, then we go to medium and we go to low. And it is a simple click of the button to circulate through those items. Now, what's really nice about it, like most of the modern LED flashlights, is if you've had it on for a while and you reach up and you press the button, it is just going to shut itself off, thus saving you trying to click through as you're doing work. Adjustments on this BRAUN are extremely simple. It is a typical belt type system on here. You just slide it depending on how tight or how loose you want it on your head. I have a relatively standard head size. I'm right between 7¼ and 7½ on my cap size, and out of the box it actually fit perfectly for me and it doesn't move. Now if you're running with something like this, you're going to want to make it definitely tighter because the battery pack does actually weigh a little bit, so you're going to want to make sure of that. Speaking of the battery pack, there was something really cool that I found with this battery pack. It is completely and totally removable, and on top of that, you can unplug it from the headlamp itself. It is just a standard USB-C, so you can take this off, and if you find that that battery doesn't quite work hanging off the back of your head, all you have to have is any kind of USB-C power cable coming off of this, and you can put that battery pack any place you want. Or if you don't want to use the BRAUN battery pack, you can set this one aside and you can grab any battery pack that you might have laying around and use it. So you can actually put that in your pocket, have it running up around your neck and onto the USB-C port that is on the headlamp itself. I love that this is easily swappable to different battery packs, so you're not limited to just this BRAUN. And one of these days when the BRAUN goes out, you're still able to use the headlamp because all you need is a USB-C power source. Now with the battery pack itself on the side, we are going to have a USB-C port here. This is how you're going to be charging the unit, is with the USB-C plug on the side. And here's something that's really cool about this battery pack. This is not just a battery pack for the light. If you need to charge your phone in case of an emergency, as long as you have USB-C on your phone, you can plug this into your phone and it works as an external power source. In fact, it works on any USB-C device and is able to supply power to those devices. Now, what I would really like to see BRAUN do is to start using this module with all of their flashlights and make this available as an external pack that you can purchase. That way, if you do run out of juice, you can just pick up a second one of these and simply use it, because having it click here on the rear of it is extremely handy, and it's very simple to pull these in and out. So I would like the ability to purchase some additional battery packs with these for that reason. So one of the other things you will notice is there are LEDs on the front of this battery case, and that is going to let you know the charge level while it's charging. It does not display whenever you have the unit on. It is simply whenever you are charging the system, and it will let you know where you're at in the charge cycle. Now the voltage output of this is going to be 3.7 volts, and it is a 4,000 milliamp hour battery pack that is with this system. Comfort with these units is always extremely important. I will definitely say with my older system, when I use it without a baseball cap, these plastic pieces here on the system itself, they end up really pushing into my forehead. And when I take this off, I always have an imprint of where this was on my forehead. It's very uncomfortable for extended use. And I have to give total props to BRAUN. They have a very nice piece of neoprene that is on the inside of this unit. And what's really nice about this neoprene is it protects your head from the uncomfortableness of having something strapped across it the entire time. And what's really cool about this system is you can even swap out the neoprene. So if you don't like neoprene, for example, let's say you're allergic to neoprene, you can get your own system and put it on here. You're not stuck with the neoprene. So that is really awesome. And I love that they have done this with this unit. Now there is one thing that I have noticed with this light. If you're using it with the ball cap or something similar, it's not going to be an issue. However, being in Texas, heat is an issue here. Every single year, we're hitting over 100 degrees. And at night, and I'm not exaggerating, there are nights where we're still sitting at 95 degrees at the coldest part of the night. So heat is a serious problem. This thing gets very warm when it is on high. If you're up in the north and you're using this primarily in winter, you're probably going to enjoy having that warmth on your head. However, if you're from the south and you're expecting to be using this year-round, you may find that high mode on here to be uncomfortable because of that heat. But we always have the option of swapping out the band on the rear if you want to put something on here that has a higher separation with your hook and loom, or some type of material that does a better job of dissipating the heat than the neoprene that is on here. And when I say it's hot, I'm not saying that it's going to scald you. It is not going to leave any kind of burn marks on you or anything like that. But I will say there's a couple of times where it's been 95 degrees here, 99 degrees here already in March, and I have already noticed that I really start to sweat where the band is. Part of that's the neoprene, but the majority of that is actually the heat that this is putting out. Now, the nice thing about this one is whenever I pull it off, I don't have a mark on my forehead. I just have the sweat line on my forehead. So your mileage may vary depending on where you're at in the country or even the world. Now, with the 3 modes that are on here, on low, they claim you can go up to 28 hours of runtime with that. I have not tested that at this point because we just got through purchasing it a few days ago, and I just wanted to get some seat time with it. If that's something you're interested in knowing though, please let me know in the comments below and we can do some runtime tests with this in a few more weeks. Now in high, this is gonna put out 1,000 lumens or so they claim, and with medium and low, unfortunately, I didn't see any numbers on what those lumens were supposed to be. They claim 210 degrees worth of visible light spread. They also claim that it has a 130-foot range with it, but this is very much so a floodlight. This is not a spotlight. If you're looking for something that is going to give you a bigger distance, then you will definitely want to pick up something like this. BRAUN also makes one that's very similar to this, and you can get very pinpointed with this one. The nice thing about this particular unit is you can pull out the lens and you can project this in a very, very tight spotlight, which is very helpful in a lot of cases. But this is 100% stuck at a flood only. You will never get this to do anything other than flood. After having used this in the dark, I will definitely say of the two, they both have their place, but this has now become my go-to grab whenever I'm needing hands-free, no lights in my hands, and I'm needing to work on something. I have started to pick this one up. I love how broad the flood is, and that's extremely nice. However, there's one caveat. And this homestead, we work a lot with everybody here. If I'm wearing this and I turn to talk to somebody, I am guaranteed that I am blinding them with this light. The nice thing about having this style of a spotlight is you can very easily tilt it up or just kind of tilt your head a little bit and still turn and carry on a conversation. So I'm having to learn to not turn and look at people whenever I'm talking with them, whenever I'm using this one, because 1,000 lumens really hurt your eyes whenever it's dark outside and you turn to talk to somebody and now you've blinded your help. So I know that there are other manufacturers out there who have a similar system to this. And what I want to know from you all is, do you have one of those and do you think it's better than BRAUN? What feature sets do you look for on a slim headlamp like this? And do you like the fact that the battery pack is usable with other items? Do you like the fact that it's USB-C and you can do an external? Or do you think that adds more fiddly bits to it? Make sure that you let us know your thoughts down in the comments. We absolutely love having great conversations with people from around the world, and we like to feature amazing comments on our videos, great comments like this one. Thank you very much for leaving that comment. We really appreciate it. Remember, keep your tools sharp, your batteries charged, and we will catch you on the next one.